The Cook and Hold Simple Control ovens can store up to 8 unique recipes. Begin by programming your recipe. In this example, we will cook at 250 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And then hold at 140 degrees. At this point, the Start button will blink, indicating that your recipe is ready to run. Instead of starting the recipe, we will push and hold the rotary dial for 5 seconds to access the menu. The first option available is Store. Press the dial in once and then turn to select the slot you want to save your recipe into. We will choose slot number 5 and press the dial. Your recipe is now saved and ready to run. To load your saved recipe, restart the oven, then press and hold the dial for 5 seconds. The first option will be Load. Press the dial once, and then rotate to select the desired recipe slot. Press the dial once to select. The recipe settings will display in sequence, and then the Start button will begin flashing. Press the Start button to initiate the preheat. Once the preheat is complete, you can load your food and press the Start button again to begin the recipe.